How do I upgrade to Python 3.6 with conda? I'm new to conda package management and I want to get the latest version of Python to use f-strings in my code. Currently my version is Python V. How would I upgrade to Python 3.6?
Anaconda had not updated Python internally to 3.6, but later versions of Anaconda has a Python 3.6 version here. A. Method 1. If you wanted to update, you will type conda update Python. To update Anaconda, type conda update conda. If you want to upgrade between major Python versions, like 3.5 to 3.6, you'll have to do B. Method 2. Create a new environment, the better method. C. To get the absolute latest Python 3.6.5 at time of writing. You can see all this from here. Also, refer to this for force upgrading.
Creating a new environment will install Python 3.6. Output.
I found this page with detailed instructions to upgrade Anaconda to a major newer version of Python, from Anaconda 4.0+. First, I also had to conda remove some packages not on the official list. Backports _ABC, Beautiful Soup, Blaze Core. Depending on packages installed on your system, you may get additional unsatisfiable errors. Simply add those packages to the remove list. Next, install the version of Python, which takes a while, after which a message indicated to conda install Anaconda client, so I did, which says it's already there. Finally, following the directions. I did this in the Windows 10 command prompt, but things should be similar in Mac OS X.
In the past, I have found it quite difficult to try to upgrade in place. Note, my use case for Anaconda is as an all-in-one Python environment. I don't bother with separate virtual environments. If you're using conda to create environments, this may be destructive because conda creates environments with hard links inside your anaconda/ims directory. So if you use environments, you may first want to export your environments. After activating your environment, do something like, after backing up your environments, if necessary, you may remove your old Anaconda. It's very simple to uninstall Anaconda. And replace it by downloading the new Anaconda, for example Linux, 64-bit. See here for a more recent one. And then executing it.